In this video, you will be learning about maintaining your privacy in Chrome. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing their technology and digital participation. All the profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Like all browsers, Chrome keeps a record of every website you visit in your browsing history. You may want to remove some or all of your browsing history for the sake of privacy. To remove specific sites from your history, first click the Chrome menu in the top right corner of the browser. Hover the mouse over History, then select History. The History tab will appear. Click the checkbox next to each link if you want to delete it from your history. Then choose Remove Selected Items. A dialog box will appear. Click Remove to continue. The selected websites will be removed from your history. Chrome makes it easy to delete some or all of your history. For example, sometimes you might want to remove only your history from the past hour instead of your complete history. You might also want to remove all of your saved pages and cookies but keep your saved passwords. From the History tab, click Clear Browsing Data. A dialog box will appear. Choose the time range and browsing data you want to delete. When you're ready, click Clear Browsing Data. The selected browsing history will be cleared. Now that you've learned how to delete your browsing history, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. What would you like to learn next? What tips would be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us. Thank you, have a nice day and stay safe.